Hello, it's a mild and quiet afternoon for much of the UK. There's a lot of cloud around, as we can see on the earlier satellite pitch. If you look closely, there are some breaks in that cloud, particularly through parts of northern England into parts of East Wales and southwest England. But this thicker cloud draped across the north and west of the UK will be pushing outbreaks of rain into Scotland and eventually into Northern Ireland this afternoon. Elsewhere, it stays dry, some breaks in that cloud, light winds for many away from northern Scotland, where those winds have a bit more strength to them, and temperatures in a range from 11 to 14 Celsius. We could see 15 across parts of Northern Ireland. Through this evening and overnight, this band of rain continues on its journey eastwards and a little bit further southwards as well. Could see some of that rain arriving into the far north of England by dawn. Further south, some drizzle for western and eastern coast, but elsewhere a mixture of variable cloud and clear spells. Where the skies are clearer across parts of southern England, could see these temperatures dropping to 5 Celsius, but for most in a range of 7 to 10 Celsius. And for the week ahead, well, for most it stays mild. There will be some rain in the forecast, particularly across Scotland. And as we start the new week, some rain through the morning through parts of southern Scotland, into northern England, and also perhaps into parts of Wales and southwest England for a time. That rain will tend to fizzle out through the morning. Behind it, some brighter skies and sunshine for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Ahead of it, once again, quite a bit of cloud for much of England and Wales, some lingering fog through the morning, and temperatures 11 to 13 Celsius. Tomorrow evening, that cloud base could just lower through parts of England and Wales, providing some patchy drizzle, but not really amounting to much. Now, as we head into Tuesday, we look at the next system pushing its way into Scotland and Northern Ireland. Notice how the isobars are closer together across the north of the UK. So with that rain will also be some stronger winds through Scotland and Northern Ireland. That rain, persistent and heavy for a time, could push into parts of northern England and North Wales later in the afternoon, but away from here across England and Wales, another dry, mild day, and temperatures across the UK on Tuesday, 11 to 13 Celsius. This frontal system once again weakens as it pushes its way across the UK through Tuesday and into Wednesday. It's running into this area of high pressure, but behind it, briefly on Wednesday, something a little bit cooler, particularly across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Won't last for very long. And actually, it could be cold enough over the highest ground of Scotland that some of these showers through the morning on Wednesday could be wintry. Those showers tending to ease away for most on Wednesday, should be mainly dry with some spells of sunshine. But notice the temperatures across Scotland, 8 or 9 Celsius for the middle of the week. Further south, still looking at 11 to 13 Celsius. Wednesday into Thursday, high pressure to the south of the UK, low pressure to the north. So once again, frontal systems pushing their way across Scotland. That's going to bring stronger winds, outbreaks of showery rain, a few showers perhaps just pushing their way a little bit further southwards into the far north of England. But away from Scotland on Thursday, most will be dry, some spells of sunshine, although likely to be a lot of cloud, temperatures 10 to 13 Celsius. And then we end the week once again, likely to see some outbreaks of rain over parts of Scotland, a few showers into northern England. Most will have a dry day, some bright or sunny spells. Notice that the temperatures start to rise for the end of the week, so back up to 14 or 15 Celsius. On Saturday, it looks like a frontal system will push its way across the whole of the UK, eventually bringing rain to all of us. So on Saturday, a wetter day. By the time we get to Sunday, drier but colder. Good afternoon.